Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry from Donnelly Ford. I'm here today with a 2024 Escape Active. Come on, let's take a look inside. First of all, on the outside here, we have Smart Entry for your ease of access. This all-wheel drive vehicle comes with a screen that is over 13 inches. It also has a cold weather package. That means you're going to get heated seats and steering wheel. You also have remote start, blind spot monitoring, a really nice dynamic backup camera for you. As you turn the wheel, it's going to show you where you're going to end up. It also has park assist, plenty of room to plug in your electronics, and selectable modes of driving for those upcoming days of difficult weather. And discover the Donnelly difference.